Ever felt the sudden urge to jet off on a spontaneous adventure only to be grounded by a low YouTrip balance? Or maybe you're tired of juggling multiple cards for your travels. Let's talk about the ultimate travel companion, linking your bank account to YouTrip. Imagine this: you're strolling through a bustling market in Bangkok, eyeing those authentic silk scarves, when you realize your YouTrip balance is looking a little bare. No panic, no scrambling for ATMs. With your bank account linked, it's a simple top-up away from continuing your shopping spree. But how do you actually link these two financial powerhouses? Let's dive in. First things first, open your YouTrip app. It's that sleek, travel-themed interface you've come to love. Look for the wallet section, it's usually at the bottom. Tap on it, and you'll see your current balance and a list of your cards. Now, here comes the magic button, Top Up. Tap on that, and you'll be presented with a few options. We're interested in link a bank account. Click on it, and a list of supported banks will appear. Find your bank, and let the linking process begin. Different banks have slightly different procedures, but the general idea is the same. You'll be redirected to your bank's app or website to verify your identity and authorize the link. It's like inviting a new friend over. You want to make sure it's really them before granting access to your finances. Once you've jumped through the bank's hoops, you'll be returned to the YouTrip app. Voila! Your bank account is now linked. You can now top up your YouTrip wallet instantly, whenever you need. But wait, there's more. Linking your bank account isn't just about topping up. It's also about security. YouTrip uses advanced encryption to protect your financial data. So, you can rest assured that your money is safe. However, like any financial relationship, there are a few things to keep in mind. Check the top-up limits. Some banks might have restrictions on how much you can transfer at once. Also, be aware of potential fees. While YouTrip is known for its fee-friendly approach, it's always good to double-check. Now, let's talk about the perks of this beautiful union. No more scrambling for cash when you're on the go. Top up instantly, whether you're waiting for your flight or exploring a new city. Plus, enjoy the peace of mind that comes with having a backup financial plan. But remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Monitor your spending, set budgets, and use your linked bank account wisely. It's a tool to enhance your travel experiences, not a license to overspend. So, there you have it. Linking your bank account to YouTrip is like adding a turbocharger to your travel adventures. It's quick, convenient, and gives you the freedom to explore without worrying about running out of funds. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy travels.